How to edit header in Shopify. So go ahead and open your Shopify dashboard. Go click Online Store on the left panel. Select Customize on this page. And once you're in the editor page, click Header on the left side and it should allow you to edit the header through the sidebar. Now you can change your desktop logo position, change the menu, change menu type, as well as the sticker header settings. Next up is the color scheme. You can change colors of the header corresponding to your page backgrounds, accents, or the inverse color to the page. Then you can enable some options like country, region, or language selector that's up to you. Next is the mobile layout. You can adjust the logo placement as well as the section paddings. For more settings, you can click on the drop-down menu of the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions, and you can link some other pages related to the store if you want. Then if you scroll to the bottom, you can see some more logo settings, like changing the logo itself and changing its dimensions. You can also code in your customizations if you want. For that, just click the Custom CSS menu and input your code in the text box. So that is how to edit header in Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.